Say Modal Verben. So Modal Verben is one of the most easiest grammars in German. Modal Verben, in this particular Modal Verben, let me talk about in English first. We have can, must, then would like, then we have should, and then we have can, could, must, should. Yeah, these are the okay. Okay, let's talk about these four. So out of these four in this chapter, we will first of all we'll read about this would like, which is in German we call it möchten. Möchten, yeah. And we will also read about can, the modal verb can. In German we call it können. Können. So these are the two verbs with which we have to proceed further. And in the next page of your book, the verb that comes first is the möchten. So the first things first, we need to conjugate the verb first. In the modal verbs, I would seriously recommend you to learn the conjugation. Don't go for any shortcuts. Yeah, don't go for any shortcuts that you would learn the ending or something. Just learn because there are very less number of modal verbs, hardly 6 or 7. So don't need to go for the shortcut part. Just learn the conjugation. So the ich möchte, it means I would like. Du möchtest. Du möchtest. You would like. Sie, es möchte. Möchtet. Ein Moment, das ist möchtet, richtig? Yeah, sorry, es tut mir leid. Möchte, not möchtet. Ihr möchtet. Yeah, sie, es möchte. Wir möchten. That means no change at all. Similarly, ihr möchtet. Yeah, ihr möchtet. That means you both would like. And then sie and sie, again, no change at all. Möchten. Yeah, sie and sie, möchten. So now, yeah. So, ich möchte, I would like. Du möchtest, you would like. Sie, es möchte, wir möchten, ihr möchtet, sie möchten. So this is the conjugation. You need to learn the conjugation. I told you no shortcuts would work here. It can work, but the better and the safe thing is to learn the conjugation. Okay, now, so in the book, you have the next page. So we will see why or how are we using the möchten thing. So here, the party. Yeah, Sana?
Could you please show your page again?
The conjugations page. Here. Yeah. Ich möchte, du möchtest, sie es möchte, wir möchten, ihr möchtet, and sie möchten. Yeah. Okay. It's given in the book as well, Sana. If you don't want to write it, it's fine. It's given in the book as well. Okay, the grill party. So the topic is grill party because previously we were doing shopping for the grill party. We bought Tomaten, Gurke, then wir haben auch was gekauft. I think Getränke gekauft last time when we heard the conversation. Now the grill party is actually happening. Now, there are 3 pictures and you have to tell me which picture goes with which dialogue. Yeah, so the dialogue says, Guten Appetit. Yeah, guten Appetit. Danke. Gleichfalls. Gleichfalls means same to you in German. Same to you. If somebody asks, or if somebody says you something, and you want to reply to them by saying, yeah, same to you, then you simply say, yeah, gleichfalls. So gleichfalls means same to you. Schmeckt es? Schmeckt? Schmeckt means, schmecken means to taste. Schmecken is a verb that normally means to taste. Here it means that what is das Fleisch. Okay, that I was saying, what is this? Which word is this? New word in German? So the word says here, schmeckt. So it's a informal way of asking that does it taste good? Whatever we had, does it taste good? So the answer is, yeah. Das Fleisch schmeckt sehr gut. The fish tastes sehr gut. The fish tastes very good. So this is the first conversation. So what do you think? This conversation would go with a, be, or a say? Where do you think they are having a conversation about Fleisch and like that? A, B, C. What is this?
It looks like but uh,
Looks like A. Okay.
yeah,
but
Okay.
you don't
Yeah.
say guten appetit
guten appetit.
Yeah.
after
Okay.
After
Yeah.
So because guten appetit, I
guten
think
appetit, I think it's
Guten. Okay.
Be.
Warten.
be.
Guten Appetit is like enjoy your meal, right?
Yeah,
So
so you
enjoy
said
your meal
before.
we say before the meal, not after the meal. It should
Yeah,
be
so it
like,
should be
Yeah, so
be.
it should be be.
okay, it should be be. Okay. Okay. What here the girls think?
I think it should be be. Be.
Be. Be. Okay. Okay. Then okay, let's see. So we have two majorities and Revati and Samriddhi. What's your take here?
Uh,
Ah. Okay. But I think it's more like that somebody is trying to give him something and he's saying, no, I'm done. Like that kind of thing. Okay, let's take, we have two majorities for B, so I would go with B. Then we have here, möchtet ihr noch ein Würstchen? Yeah, would you like to have noch ein Würstchen? Würstchen is like sausages. Ja, gerne. Die Würstchen sind sehr lecker oder wirklich lecker. That means the sausages are really tasty. Wirklich lecker. Lecker is an adjective which means tasty. And wirklich means really. Yeah. Und du, Lukas? And you, Lukas? Nein, danke. Ich bin satt. Ich bin satt means I am full. No thanks, I am full. Ich bin satt. Remember, it's again a very common phrase when you're talking about food items and restaurant and kaufen thing. Ich bin satt means I'm full. When you don't want to intake anything more and you are done, you are almost done with your food, then you say, nein, ich bin satt. So this picture, this dialogue goes with which picture now? This is A. So it shows that the lady is trying to give him, but then Lucas, maybe this girl, this boy is Lucas. So he's saying, nein, danke, ich bin satt. I am full. And the last, what's this close? Yeah, and the last thing is here, möchtest du Salat? Do you like salad? Möchtest, would you like salad? Nein, danke. Ich esse keine Gurken. I don't eat cucumber. So this picture is it goes with say. Yeah, this picture goes with say. So you can see here how we are using möchtet, möchtest du, möchtet ihr, and then möchten sie. So möchten is like, it's like a verb. For example, if I am the, maybe the Kellnerin, the waitress, and Sana has come to my hotel. So I would ask Sana that, Sana, would you like to have a pizza? So I would say, möchten, because obviously Sana is my customer, so I cannot go informal with her. So I would say, möchten Sie Pizza, bitte? Oder, yeah, ein Moment. Möchten Sie Pizza, bitte? Möchten Sie Pizza, bitte? Or anything, möchten Sie Cola? If I am like, if I and Sana, we are like colleague and we are talking with each other, then this Sie would change to du. Then I would ask her, möchtest du noch etwas? Would you like something more? Like that. So möchten and möchten is like a modal verb, and that in this thing we are using it like this way. Now, the another part of it. Okay, let's see.